Hello and welcome to Simon's Simple English. In this video we're going to discuss how long your IELTS speaking part 3 answer should be. Should it be 20 seconds? Should it be 30 seconds? Should it be 2 or 3 or 4 sentences? Should it be 6 sentences? That's what we're going to find out here. Let's get started. In IELTS speaking part 3, you need to extend your answer. You need to give more in-depth answers. In IELTS speaking part 3, the examiner wants to ask you between 4 and 8 questions. And this will be different for each examiner. Some examiners will let you talk for a long time. Other examiners will cut you off because they've got other questions that they want to ask you. But on average, it's between 4 and 8 questions. So how long should your answer be? Well, to be honest, it depends on you. If you're a very confident speaker and you can speak very fluently and develop your ideas, I'd say 45 seconds to a minute would be good. And the examiner will probably ask you less questions. But if you're more nervous and you can't speak quite so fluently and you can't develop your idea so well, then I'd say go for 30 seconds if you can. And the examiner's going to ask you more questions. I tell my students to try to extend their answers, to explain things, to use examples, because they can not only make your answer more interesting, but can also help with your coherence. But to aim for about 40 seconds to a minute. An average answer for IELTS speaking part 3, I'd say, would be around about 45 seconds. Now, some places and some teachers will tell you it should be 4 or 5 sentences or 3 or 4 sentences, but that depends on how quickly you speak. Some people can say 6 sentences in 30 seconds. Some people can only say 4 sentences in 30 seconds. Well, I hope this has cleared it up for you. Thanks very much for joining me. Don't forget to like this video. It really helps with the algorithm. Nice to see you. Good luck with your IELTS and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.